Hi everyone! So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on with my BeeBeeCraft stuff that I hauled recently. I do have a coupon code with them. It is Nicole20. That'll save you 10% off of your purchase, including sale items. And they do free shipping if you spend $25 or more. So for $4 and change, I got this little kit, if you guys remember, and it was full. So everything from here is right here in this baggie. I made so much stuff. So you guys remember I did a video on this little bookmarker and I used one Christmas tree charm from right here. And then look at all of this stuff. There's so much done in here. So this took me about 3 hours. I was sitting down watching TV, watched 3 shows that were an hour long, and this is what I got done in that time. So from the words right here, for this Christmas, I just needed to get 1 T out of my stash. So all the rest is from this kit. This little Christmas tree is from this kit. So I did the word Christmas and then a little tree at the bottom. This snowflake was from the kit. And again, I had to get a T from my stash. So I did winter. I did the words jingle and I needed to get the L out of my stash. And then I did a little bell down there. And then I did joy and the charm. So all of that came from this kit. Then this compartment over here was all these little clay beads. So I either did them with a seed bead or I did a couple with these tiny little pearls. So there is just a ton of those. Oh, look, here is another little word. I did Rudolph and then got the little reindeer charm. So on that one, I think I needed the D and all the rest came from here. So I still have a couple words, but I couldn't think of any other Christmas words with what was left over. So I'm just going to combine these with my regular alphabet stash that I already have. So in this compartment, it had these little beads in red, white, and green. So I used that whole compartment. And then I moved on and started using these that were already separated. So I have a couple with seed beads. I did a couple with a little bead cap. And then there was some that I did. Oh, look, here's another one. I did snow. And this one I used some little seed beads from my stash. On this one, there were some that I used a sequence as a stopper because these holes are a little bit large. My head pin would go right through. So I needed to put something at the base. So I used the tiny pearls, the seed beads, the bead caps, and sequins. So that is everything that I've worked on so far just out of this kit that was $4 and change. I cannot believe how many pieces I have here. I'm gonna guess like 60 pieces. I have no idea. I didn't count them, but that's what it feels like. It feels like a whole lot, and I can still make so much more. So now we're gonna do some other beads. So another kit that I got from this haul were these silicone beads, and then this case right here with mixed beads. So we're gonna do a beadable pin for this one. So this came out of, oh, I also got this large pack right here. So this bead came from there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put one of these rhinestone spacers on there. Then I'm going to put this little wreath that came in that silicone bead kit. Another spacer. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on one of these other beads that I showed you from that other kit. Now, if they don't fit and it sort of fits, just go ahead and just start twisting it. That always works for me. And then you'll be able to get the bead past the thread. And then you'll be able to have it nice and snug on there. Then we just need to go ahead and put our cap on. And there we go. So there is our cute little beaded pin. The next thing I'm going to work on is I got these really cute little cup charms. So you know how everybody has those Stanley cups? So you just put this around your handle. So you now have a little beaded charm, which I thought was super adorable. So we're going to kind of do the same thing. We're using this kit again right here. So I took the rhinestone beads out of there. And again, see, these don't go straight on, so we're going to have to twist these down like that. And then I have these green rhinestone spacers that we're going to stick on there. I'm going to put my Christmas tree, put my other rhinestone spacer, my other rhinestone bead, and then we are going to put our cap on. Now, because this is a silicone bead, I am going to be able to go ahead and push this down, so that way I have enough room to get my cap back on. And then we are just going to go ahead and screw that in there. And then now this is all set to go out in a swap. I think this is really cute. I kind of want to keep it for myself. You ever make something that you love and then you're like, oh, do I have to give it away? I kind of like it. That's how I'm feeling right now about that one. The next project that I have that I'm going to do with you guys right now is... So I had purchased this bottle cap opener that I thought was really cute that you could go ahead and bead. So we're going to screw off the bottom here. Now I need to figure out if I want my stocking on top and then my bead, or my bead first and then my stocking. Nope, I'm going to do it the other way around. So this one is really, really thick. So these silicone beads are going to be perfect for that. I'm hoping that I could go ahead and get the bead to stretch over. And I'm just going to kind of force this one on because, like I said, it is a silicone bead, so it will stretch amazing, because I could not find any of my regular like acrylic beads in my stash that would fit this one, so I was kind of nervous. But these silicone beads are coming in for the win. And I don't like how this little part is blue right there. I wish it was a different color. I wonder if I can paint it. So now we're going to take our red silicone bead, just kind of push that on like that. I was hoping that one of these would fit, but I tried my largest rhinestone spacer and it didn't fit, unfortunately. So I'm hoping that this will go ahead and close all the way up and I don't need any more beads. Ah, see, look. That rhinestone spacer would have just worked out perfect. Maybe because I squished these, can I like unsquish them and loosen them up a little bit? Oh, okay, perfect. So I did squish them on, and now that I give it a little bit of wiggle room, that works out great. How cute is that? So you have your little snowman stocking there to go ahead and open your little wine, or we do those what is those, like little apple cider bottles. So super cute. Okay, I'm loving everything. I still have a ton that I can still use. Like I said, I have all this right here. If you guys have any ideas on any holiday words, please let me know, because I want to do more of those little holiday words like I did, you know, the joy with the charm and the winter with the charm. So I have Santa, so I'm going to do Santa, but I got a bunch of other little pieces in here I can use. So any suggestion for holiday words, please let me know down below in the comments. And then plus I have all these silver ones as well. And then I'm going to finish these off in wrapping those. But look, I still have so much left. I have all of these beads. I have all of these beads left. I have all of these super gorgeous acrylic candy canes with glitter. So I'm definitely going to come back and make these into a chunky charm. I'm going to have them all red and white, so those are going to be gorgeous to go ahead and use. Here are the bags of those bookmarkers. Like I said, you could take them apart and add more to it. That's what I did over here. I took this that came in half, I added a bell, I added another charm right there, so you guys can go ahead and fix those up any ways that you like. See, like I still have more of the silicone bead kit to go, and then these are gorgeous. I still want to use these for a project. I'm kind of thinking that these would be beautiful little earrings, so I might do that and make myself a pair of Christmas earrings, because they're just gorgeous. Like, look at that little gold bow and then all the little glass beads to make these. They're just so delicate and beautiful. I think these would make beautiful, beautiful little earrings, so I might make myself a pair of earrings. But yeah, still so much more that I can play with in this kit, but Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Like I said, don't forget to use that coupon code Nicole20, and I'll link all of these products. I'll link their website, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.